Every Docker image starts somewhere. And from is how you tell Docker exactly where. From tells Docker which base image to use as the foundation for everything you build. Think of it like inheriting from a parent. The operating system, pre-installed tools, and file system all come from that base. If you write F from Ubuntu :2.2.0.4, you're starting with a full Ubuntu Linux environment. If you write F from node :1.8, you get node.js and all its dependencies already baked in. F from must be the first executable instruction in any Dockerfile. The only thing allowed before it is an ARG instruction, which you can use to parameterize the image name or tag. Speaking of tags, always pin them. Writing from node :18 alpine instead of just from node locks in a specific version, making your builds reproducible across every environment and every teammate. Here's where it gets powerful. You can use multiple from instructions in a single Dockerfile to create multi-stage builds. Each from starts a fresh build stage. A common pattern is to compile your app in a large image with all the dev tools, then copy only the compiled output into a minimal runtime image, dramatically reducing the final image size. And if you need an image with absolutely nothing in it, no OS, no tools, use from scratch. From is the foundation of every Dockerfile. Pick your base image wisely, always pin your tags, and use multi-stage builds to ship lean containers. Subscribe for more Docker essentials. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.